am Dr. Tanmai Yermal, consultant interventional cardiologist from Manipal Hospital, Kharadi, Pune. Today we are going to talk about heart attacks in gym, or in other words, can intense workouts leads to heart attack or cardiac events. So nowadays we are very commonly hearing about increased incidences of heart attacks in younger age group populations. So many of the people are getting aware, conscious, and they are moving towards regular exercises, gym, and they are changing their lifestyles, which is a good thing. But at the same time, we keep hearing about incidences of heart attacks during exertional activities or during exercises or in the gym that leads to heart attacks and or cardiac arrest. So most of the people are again having a fear of heart attacks during the gym. So they are again worried whether we should plan or we should do exercises or we should not, or whether we should go to gym or not. So let's have or throw some light about acute heart attacks in the gym and what are the causes and how do we avoid it and all those things. So doing exercise is always good for your heart and health. So it's going to improve your cardiac status or overall health, and it's not going to harm you in any ways. But doing intense exercises beyond your heart's capacity or without training your heart to do that intense activities is not good for your heart, especially in those people who are already having some existing risk factors like diabetes, hypertension, smoking, high cholesterol levels, or high family history of cardiac diseases, or if the patient has existing blockages in the arteries. Such patients are at risk of having heart attacks or cardiac arrest during gym or intense activities. The cholesterol plaque, which is already formed in the heart, coronary vessels, can have a plaque rupture or tear during intense activities and can lead to acute heart attacks or blood clot formation, leading to reduced blood supply to the heart. So those people who are at increased risk factors of heart attacks can lead to have a cardiac event during the intense activities. So before doing any intense activities or before going to gym, we recommend every one of you should get your heart health checked first. Make sure your heart is fit enough to do your exercises or intense activities by doing some regular cardiac evaluation, and then once it is done, if you are fit, then start doing exercises. There's always a pattern to do the exercises also. Don't start doing intense activities immediately. We should slowly train your heart and body to do that activities by doing slow exercises first, and then slowly increasing the intensities over the period of time. Second important thing is we should have a warm up and cool down period before and after exercises, which is also equally important to prepare your body for doing exercises. Apart from that, many of the people nowadays we see in gym to build up the body and other things, they start having use of drugs or other proteins and other stuffs, which again it has an good impact as well as a side effect on your body. So all such unnecessary intake of drugs and other medications has to be avoided, because all these hormonal changes can again trigger the event of the heart. So all these things, and then apart from that, we should have a regular healthy foodstuffs and lifestyles. Avoid smoking, drinking, so that again that has an impact on your coronary arteries and other things. So what we recommend is before starting a gym or before doing intense activities in the gym, you get your heart health checked, evaluated, and make sure it is in a good condition, and then you can start doing regular exercises and gym activities, and then train your heart and body to do intense activities and do it to that levels. Keep monitoring your heart rate, and if at all you have any kind of symptoms, don't proceed with the exercises. First get yourself evaluated or checked. What happens, we see that many of the people, they have the symptoms but still they try to overlook the symptoms and then keep doing the intense activities, which is really very dangerous for your heart. One more thing I would recommend is to learn CPR. Every one of us must learn CPR, so that if at all any of our friends or something is some mishappenings happen in the gym or exercise, we all should be trained to do a CPR, which can save the life of the people who are actually in need of. Thank you. Have a healthy and good lifestyle. Thank you.